savage out here this morning. I just got up to make a cup of tea, and the birds are going mental. And I thought, oh, maybe the babies are going to fledge. Maybe the babies are going to fledge, but no. What it is, not a thing, not a sausage. Well, they wouldn't eat sausages anyway, would they? But not a sausage on their feeding station. So let's get that sorted. Oh God. Oh, it's a gorgeous morning. So hungry. She doesn't even care that I'm stood here. Hungry babies. Well, they're not babies. But...